Alright, so we're getting a little closer here. Gotta see it. This terrain is rough, so I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to fall into that. This is a lot of water coming down the hill. People are starting to gather here already. Never seen anything like this. That's just nuts. I'll see if I can get closer. Alright, here we are getting a little closer. I want to be careful because I don't want to get swept away or anything. This is a flash flood right here. Normally there's no water here. Not even a river or anything. You're going to see how crazy it is. Look at that water. That's probably about, I'd say 60, 70 feet across from here to the other side. And it's just sweeping everything it can. Rocks, mud, trees. It's just sweeping it along. Oh shoot, it's getting closer here. It's getting closer to my feet. It's widening its path as it's thundering through. And there we go, another bush just taken there, so I'm getting out of here. That's pretty nuts, dude, you gotta admit. Pretty crazy. I've never seen anything like it.